welcome back to my channel. Today is my 3-year lock anniversary, and I am about to show you my 3-year lock anniversary updates. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If you have any compliments or anything, questions, just come message drop it down below. And I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I met this girl, she was a masterpiece. Like Michelangelo designed her outlines. A rarity, I rarely see a gem among the graphite. Her soul is soft as snowflakes that descend and cover alpines. Not perfection, but the right kind, the kind to rest in my mind. I meditate on memories, I feel that she's the right type. I take my time to know her more, know her mind, know her thoughts, know where she will see herself ahead of time when future calls. We resonate on favorite films and how life is moving dollar bills. Though we still need our feel, along with global rendezvous, the va-va-voom, the love and thrills. Communication, we agree that's an essential skill. And both acknowledge that we've had our share of training wheels, dodgy deals. In times we felt like hiding deep like Navy SEALs. After make or breakups that were tense and had us missing meals. But I can't miss the fact I see a future with her still. Please
let me know how you feel. You know what we have is real. Took me some time to search through my mind, refine a view of you in my life. Let me know how you feel. I know what we have is real. Took time for both of us to align. I realize the peace that's inside when I'm with you in the rain. Yes, you are the prodigy, prototype. If you close your eyes and you will see that I fulfill the prophecy. Baby, I'm your legacy, can't you see as we go? Water me and I will grow. You make me feel secure.